Hello, my name is David Girling. I'm an Associate Professor in the School of Global Development at the University of East Anglia. It's been great to be back in Kenya because I haven't been here since 2019 when I was making a film called What is Global Development? I say film, it was a short course which is available on Future Learn. So it's great to be back because last time I was here I was in the CBD, I was in Westlands, but I was also in Eastleigh and Kibera, Mathare, Dandora, etc. And one of the things before I came out here, because I was meeting with one of the universities here, I said to my colleagues, I said, do any of you do any research in Kenya? Have you done anything recently? And they sent me a long list. I think I had 6 pages of A4, and that's how active we are. Because being research active is really important to us. In fact, in the UK, for development studies, we're first for our research. So if you look up the ref, that's what we're famous for. It informs our teaching, everything we do. So after I was last here, I got some funding to actually do some research with AMREF in Kibera. Unfortunately, I couldn't come because of COVID, but I worked with local partners here, photographers, who gave cameras to community health workers in Kibera to tell their own stories for fundraising purposes. And we tested this in a live market in the UK to see if a professional photograph versus a photograph taken by somebody in this instance who'd never taken a photograph before, which raised the most money. And this was absolutely groundbreaking because we disseminated that information to over 300 charities and NGOs across Europe and said, look, different ways of storytelling, ethical storytelling, can make a difference. So that's what we do at the University of East Anglia. That's what we do in the School of Global Development. We make sure that we go out into the world, that we're keeping up-to-date research, so that if you come and study with us, you're learning from that research. We also believe in employability skills, so we get in experts to teach different kinds of skills like participatory photography, filmmaking, GIS, fundraising, etc., etc. If you study for a master's degree, you want to get a job at the end, I would have thought. So that is something that we encourage, taking extracurricular courses. You can also, from every single postgraduate, apart from one, you can do a placement instead of a dissertation. You can do that anywhere in the world and we'll help you find that placement. So I think that really sets you apart, and therefore at the end of your degree you're ready to go back home and get a really good job that you